Hi friends, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a camping quilt layout using the main cardstock kit from May. To start, I'm using my paper trimmer to cut 2 squares from each sheet of the plain colored cardstock. Each square measures 3 inches by 3 inches, and you will need a total of 15 squares. My next step was to create a custom stencil using the star background cut file from the new Hip Kit Club marketplace. I uploaded the cut file into Cricut Design Space and resized it to 4 inches. This way my stencil is slightly larger than my cardstock squares. I buy stencil material off of Amazon and then cut it out using the acetate setting on my Cricut. You can also just use scratch cardstock paper, but you may need to cut out more than one as the texture paste wilts the paper. I am now using Ranger Ink Opaque Matte Texture Paste and applying it with a palette knife onto my cardstock square. I spread the texture paste evenly over the stencil, removing any excess with my palette knife. This will create a beautiful texture on my cardstock square, which you'll see when I lift up the stencil. I repeat this process for all of the cardstock squares. Now I'm arranging the cardstock squares onto a piece of plain white cardstock. Of course, you'll want to wait until your texture paste is dry to start this step. My main strategy is that I wanted the colors evenly spaced and I didn't want 2 of the same color next to each other. I also left a blank space as a placeholder for my photo. My photo is cut to 2.75 inches. This leaves a white border around the photo. I pulled embellishments from both the May kit and the April kit. I wanted to focus on a camping or outdoors theme, and so I selected embellishments that fit this theme. I'm applying like colors onto like colors. For example, the blue kettle onto the blue cardstock. For one of the embellishments, I wanted to use this camper van rub-on, but you can apply rub-ons directly onto texture paste, so instead I'm going to apply the rub-on onto plain white cardstock and fussy cut it, and this will turn it into a piece of ephemera basically that I can use on the layout. My last step was to apply a custom title using the puffy alphabet stickers from the May kit. I love that the alphabet stickers allow you to create custom titles that match the theme of your layout. In this case, my title is going to say Starry Nights. Here's a look at my finished layout. I love that this layout is bold and colorful, yet was relatively simple to make. Applying only 1 embellishment per square keeps the layout from becoming overly busy. I love that this layout also mixes kits, which is a great way to stretch your stash. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to use my coupon code Heidi Lewis in all caps to get 10% off your kit today. Thanks for watching. Bye.